Let me show you how we can fix missing LDAC or LHDC option in Bluetooth settings on the Realme GT 8 Pro. So if you go to the settings of your Bluetooth device and you open media audio option and you do not have LDAC or LHDC, the reason why you are missing this option is probably due to an app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. For example, for my earbuds, I have installed this app over here, and inside of this app, I have earbud settings where I can choose the sound quality or what should be the priority actually. And it can be connection or sound. Now, if I choose connection, I actually don't have LDAC anymore. And if I prefer the sound quality, then in this case, I can actually have the option to use LDAC. Now, in this case, it says that Bluetooth audio codec is AAC, but I'm sure if I return to these settings, as you can see now, I do have LDAC. And the same goes with the Bluetooth settings inside the phone. So as you can see here, now I do have LDAC option again. So essentially what you're trying to do in order to solve this issue is to check the app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device and find some sort of sound quality settings or maybe even audio codec settings, because of course the app may have their own setting that may override the setting that we have built in the phone. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.